Hello YouTube viewers, today I'm going to have a bike check due to the crappy weather outside in my hometown. It's very cold outside. First off, I'm going to start off with my Shadow Conspiracy bar ends in purple, my Colt Van grips in black, my Mutiny Glamroid bars 8.5 by 30 inches wide, holding on to my profile push stem with fly integrated headset, purple United Dinero forks, Odyssey Aitken tire 2.25 with a Demolition V1 front wheel. On the left side I have Animal Butcher pegs in purple. On the right side I also have Demolition Dump Truck V3 with a Shadow Conspiracy front hubguard. Moving back to my KMC Cool Night chain with a 28 tooth spline drive tree sprocket, left hand drive profile cranks, and purple Odyssey PC pedals. On the back I have a left hand drive Animal Javelin hub. Also on the left side I have another Animal Butcher peg. On the right side I have the same as the front, a Demolition Dump Truck V3 with a Failure purple hubguard, trying to support new companies coming out, an Animal RS rim, Primo spokes, and purple alloy nipples, profile purple bottom bracket. I also have a Animal V2 seat clamp, and a special shout out to my girlfriend, which she gave me a Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat. And last, my Mothership V2 frame in white. Thanks for viewing my bike check.